In this video, I will show you how to change your ringing tone on WhatsApp. First of all, go to your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, tap on this three dot. Tap on this settings. Tap on this notifications. Scroll to down, and as you can see, you see calls, ringing tone. So tap on it. So select this sound or explorer. If you tap on this sound, it will give you the default sound of the WhatsApp. So if you select this explorer, it will take you to your phone where it will allow you to go and select a specific just a music for your sound. So for me, I will just go and tap on it. So I'll just go with the sound. So now go and select your desired sound among this sound that WhatsApp gives you. So after you select your sound, so tap on this back arrow. So that's it, guys, on how to change WhatsApp ringing tone. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comment. Thank you for watching.